Introduction to Beelinguapp Parallel Texts.
Beelinguapp is a language learning app known for its parallel text feature. This means you can read stories side by side in your native language and in English. Combined with audio narration, parallel texts help boost your English listening comprehension by letting you follow along as you listen and read at your own pace.
Getting started with Beelinguapp.
To begin, download and open Beelinguapp on your device. Create an account and select English as your target language. On the main screen, you'll find a variety of stories, articles, and songs. Browse these options and pick content that interests you, as engaging materials make the listening practice more effective.
Using the Parallel Texts feature.
When you open a story, you'll see both English and your native language displayed together. Tap the play button to start the audio narration in English. Listen carefully as you read along in English, using the native translation as support if you become confused. This combination of listening and reading strengthens your language skills.
Customizing your listening practice.
Beelinguapp lets you adjust settings for a better experience. You can choose to hide the translation for more challenge, change the audio speed, or repeat sections of the story. Some stories offer vocabulary highlights or built-in glossaries to help clarify unfamiliar words. Use these options to tailor your listening practice to your skill level.
Tips for effective listening improvement.
For best results, practice regularly and choose stories that excite you. Listen to each story more than once, first with both texts, then gradually relying more on English alone. Pause and replay any sections that are difficult. Over time, you'll notice improved comprehension, a richer vocabulary, and greater confidence in understanding spoken English.